1. The standard one loop. This style is great for those chilly fall or winter days. Drape the scarf over your shoulders with one end slightly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end around your neck once, then adjust the ends until they're the same length. This look keeps you warm and cozy without a ton of effort. If you're wearing a jacket with a hood, situate the scarf in between the hood and your neck. That way, you can still put your hood up if it starts to rain or snow. 2. The easy toss. This cool and casual style is very European. Drape your scarf over your shoulders with the right side slightly longer than the left. Toss the right end of the scarf up over your left shoulder to wrap it around your neck, but leave the hanging end behind your back. This toss is so easy to do, you won't even have to think about it. Be warned, though, if it's really windy out, this easy toss won't stand a chance, meaning, you may have to adjust it throughout the day. 3. The bunny ear. We're getting a little more intricate with this scarf style. Drape your scarf over one shoulder, leaving one end much longer than the other. Loop the long end around your neck twice, then tuck it into the second loop around your neck. Tie the ends together in a simple knot to keep them in place, then situate the knot so it's slightly off-center for a fashionable twist. It's like a take on the classic airline stewardess neckerchief, only this will keep you much warmer. 4. The turtleneck. Ever wanted to cover up your neck but all your turtlenecks were dirty? Loop your scarf around your neck 3 to 4 times so it completely covers your neck. Tie the ends of the scarf together in a knot, then tuck the knot underneath the scarf itself to hide it. Adjust the top of the scarf so it fits over your neck just like a turtleneck. Use this method to spice up a plain t-shirt or long sleeve when your wardrobe is bumming you out. 5. The faux infinity loop. Who needs an infinity scarf anymore? Tie the ends of your scarf together in a double knot to make a circle. Pull the scarf on over your head, then twist the hanging end over itself to make a figure 8 shape. Pull the smaller loop over your head again, then adjust the hanging ends so they aren't bunched underneath each other. For XXL scarves, meaning extra long, loop the scarf around your neck 3 times instead of just 2. You could also wrap the scarf once or twice around your neck and tuck in the ends of the scarf underneath. This creates the illusion of an infinity scarf. 6. The pull-through. Great for shorter scarves, the pull-through can be done in moments. Fold the scarf in half lengthwise, then drape it over your shoulders. Fit the hanging ends of the scarf through the loop portion, then pull the ends through to tighten it around your neck. Adjust the loop so it's situated on top of your chest and let the ends hang downwards. Put your scarf on underneath your jacket, then zip it up to cover the ends of the scarf while leaving the top poking out. It's like a pocket square for your neck.